how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a landing page in Constant Contact. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is click on create and then choose landing pages. After that, select custom landing page. Over here, you can choose a template or start from scratch with a blank layout. Once you're in the editor, drag and drop the different blocks and elements to customize your landing page. After that, to add images, click on the image section and drag in the images you want. If you need to upload new ones, click on Upload Images. Then, if you want to change colors, fonts, or buttons, click on the Design tab. From here, you can adjust the background image, colors, fonts, and button styles. When you're finished, click on Publish. Give your landing page a title, a brief description, and if needed, a custom URL to make it more recognizable. Finally, you can add a Facebook Pixel ID or Google Tracking ID for analytics. Once published, share your landing page via email, social media, or ads to drive traffic. So that's how you can create a landing page in Constant Contact. That's all for this video.